Coinbase Delists wrapped Bitcoin wBTC, citing listing concerns. Announcement comes shortly after the exchange launched its own, wrapped, Bitcoin on Base, cbBTC. Coinbase has begun phasing out wBTC and will suspend trading on December 19, citing listing standards. This move comes after Coinbase has launched a competitor to wBTC called cbBTC. Coinbase Coin says it is in the process of removing wrapped Bitcoin, wBTC, from the exchange, citing its listing standards. wBTC is a token that represents Bitcoin on Ethereum and other blockchains. While wBTC is offered by BitGo, other similar products have the same concept: custodied crypto on one end, and a representation of the token on its non-native blockchain on the other. This move came shortly after Coinbase announced its own version of wrapped Bitcoin called cbBTC, which exists on the Base blockchain. Recently, wBTC has come under a considerable amount of scrutiny after BitGo announced it was entering into a joint venture with BitGlobal, a custodian partially owned by Justin Sun. While many in the crypto community expressed concerns about Sun's involvement, BitGo CEO Mike Belch was quick to point out that Sun has minimal operational control over BitGlobal. The custodian's legal structure means that no individual has more than 20% ownership, and the keys are split between multiple parties. In an earlier interview with CoinDesk, BitGo's Belch said that critics of the BitGo global tie-up weren't being intellectually honest, promoting their own project's interests over thoughtful criticism of wBTC. "We are a fiduciary today, and it's our duty to ensure that the assets are protected, regardless of where they are held," he said, while taking aim at Coinbase cbBTC for being, in his opinion, too centralized. Of course, the central bank, Coinbase, they also would love to have wrapped Bitcoin under their belt, he said. "There is no doubt that the model that BitGo is proposing, how we're going to store the keys, is far superior to anything that Coinbase can or would concoct." Belch believes this potential level of centralization is antithetical to decentralized finance, DeFi. "If the DeFi community picks central bank Coinbase as the ultimate steward, then I think all DeFi hope should be lost," he said.